you know, people will say, Rhonda, I don't know why the name of your channel is Hot Mess or has Hotmess Momma or Hot Mess, whatever. You really seem like you have your ish together. May I direct you to my last video that I filmed, the entire video with a big blob of dry shampoo in my head. I thought it was volumizing spray. Did you just spritz, 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 spritz? That you didn't need to zhuzh the hair? Because my hair's clean. I washed it last night. I just wanted to get a little lift at the root. Guess what? It was a dry shampoo that gave you a little bit of volume. Just one instance of why I call myself Hotmess Momma. Hey everybody, and welcome. I don't know if the coffee is even strong enough today. So if you hear noise in the background, that would be because I got these really cute pillowcase covers in my last haul that I did with Temu on my kitchen channel, and I ran downstairs and they're in the washer, and I have a load in the dryer. Nobody really cares, but like a ding dong, I left my door open, so you may hear it. And you may see some dry shampoo in my hair, and it is what it is. So anyways, welcome. Hello, my name's Rhonda, and over here we embrace the mother trucking hot mess, okay? It's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, we keep it cute or put it on mute. You know, we do the things. We're just here to have fun, all right? That's it. Fun. Shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. You don't have to help support the channel, but you choose to, and I appreciate each and every single one of y'all. Thank you to those of you that are clicking that thanks button. That is something that is new to YouTube. If you click the thanks button, you can actually donate or tip to the creator's channel. So if you guys do choose to do that, I just want to give you guys a little shout out and thank you. I appreciate you guys. And a big shout out and thank you to Temu for letting me pick these goodies out for today's video for you all. I got some good goods, okay? Like this month for September, the things that I picked out in these hauls has been freaking amazing. If you've never heard of Temu, download the Mother Truckin' app. It just has so many amazing things. I mean, they have lightning deals all the time. They always have sales going on. They have like a huge anniversary sale where it's like up to 90% off. They accept all major credit cards, and of course, free returns, free shipping, and what I love the most, price adjustments. Some of y'all have asked, how do you do price adjustments? Log into your account on your app, go into your orders, and it just prompts me, hey, you had XYZ that has been, you know, marked down to whatever, do you want a price adjustment? And I'm like, yes, please. You want to give me my money back? Okay. So when it comes to Temu, they literally have everything. If you check out my channel, Hot Mess in the Kitchen, you'll see kitchen gadgets and all kinds of random things. Over on my other channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, I do a ton of Temu clothing and shoes and accessory hauls over there. And then of course here we have beauty and everything. You never know what you're going to get, but I can tell you there is going to be a coupon code, discount code, and all of that. A link to download the app down in my description box below. Let's get into this first bag because I am really excited about some of the goodies that are in here. So the first thing in here, I think this is actually something that Shaq was recommending to me when I was down in Florida visiting Ofra. And this is supposed to be like this thing you can connect to your phone that will record like by the push of a button. So she was actually using it when we were at dinner. She was telling Haley and I all about it, and she's like, yeah, I just got it. Yep, it's a light too. So she's like, yeah, I just got it off of Temu. So it's literally a light with a remote control, and see what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? And she's like, Rhonda, it's so awesome. You can dim it, ooh, you can brighten it, you can do all the things, you can change like the color, yeah, and it clips to, oh, that's really bright. Wow, that is nice. So if you are a content creator coming across my channel, you might want this for your phone. But that's what she was talking about. She's like, yeah, it clips right to my phone, and it makes it so nice when I'm, you know, filming or whatnot. And I'm like, wow, I gotta check that out. She sent us the link and I hurried up and added that right to my cart. So it's got the little charger in here as well. So how cool is that? I love that their stuff, honestly, it comes like pre-charged. It's got the little sticker magnetic. Is this magnetic? I think it's magnetic. Well, I'll have to read the instructions, but my girl Shaq said this was amazing and it was a must-have, and I was like, okay, say less. You guys will probably see me using that when I'm filming some reels. Oh yeah, it has a magnetic attraction, Type-C charging, designed for stabilizing. Oh my gosh, the mini magnetic fill light. So that's what it's called. Everything's going to be linked and listed down below for you all, with prices, coupons, the link to download the app, and everything. And speaking of Shaq over at Ofra, if you guys have picked up my collection with Ofra Cosmetics, thank you guys so much. It just warms my heart. I mean, thank you guys so much. And don't forget, you can use my lip duo, my Hotmess Momma liquid lippy. You can use that as blush too. Just FYI on that. And then of course, I created this palette to take you all season long. So if you want some nice fall gem tone colors, I got this whole nice side over here on my palette. We got the daytime, the face, you can use that on your face. You can use it wet, dry, you can use it all over your face. Like, yeah, I wanted you guys to get the most bang for your buck with my collection. So don't forget, code HOTMESS will save you 20% over at Ofra site-wide, not just on my collection, but thank you guys so much on helping to make that launch so successful. All right, moving into the next item. This is the skincare skin bottom fit formula customized. Let's see here. I think this was a foundation and it looked very expensive. So I mean, it wasn't, but it did look expensive, and I was very curious. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, it looks like Giorgio Armani or something. See it? It looks like a Giorgio Armani or something. I don't know. I don't know if I don't think I got the right shade. I've been out in the sun, but I mean, maybe it's like a lightweight tint. It smells nice and clean. Yeah, I feel like that's definitely going to be like a wintertime shade, but it's very nice and hydrated. Like, do you see the dewiness to my skin? That's what my skin needs right now. I've been going a little ham sandwich with that Tretinoin. I don't know, I can kind of blend it in. I feel like I could get away with it using some contour maybe. I don't know. I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try that because I really like that dewy, luminous look. I'm gonna see if they have darker shades too. I think I was just kind of picking and forgetting, like, I don't know. It's me, guys. Come on. Get a little sidetracked. All right, next in here, I picked up this Beauty Glazed product. And to me, this looked like it was going to be like a Charlotte Tilbury wand type of dealio. So this just says Liquid Contour BGB156. So I don't really know like what the actual shade name is. But, I mean, look at that. I mean, that definitely, it even clicks just like the Charlotte Tilbury. Ooh, let's see. Oh yeah, I like that. I feel like I could make both of these work for sure. So you just screw it, twist it, and then you gotta make sure to twist it back or else you'll like mess up the whole thing. But yeah, I like that formula. It literally reminds me of the Charlotte Tilbury. I like that a lot. Crazy affordable, but I really like that, and I like saving money. I mean, the Charlotte Tilbury is nice, let's be real, it is, but I feel like this is going to do the exact same, guys. So next in here, I picked up these. Okay, so I wear slippers all the time. I feel like you can never have enough slippers. Yes, I like to sometimes match my slippers to my PJs, what have you, or my outfit of the day. These slippers are so crazy affordable. They are so cozy. They feel like almost like a chenille kind of blanket or whatever. I get mine in a size 42, 43. I have a size 7.5 to an 8 size foot. So I would say these run small, all right? I mean, because I think a 42, 43 is like what, a 10, 12 or something. So yeah, they run small and they are freaking amazing, and I love them so much. They have good grippers, so you don't have to worry about falling down the stairs, tripping. Up the stairs maybe, I do that. down the stairs I don't have to worry about. So yeah, these make great gifts. So with the holidays coming up and everything, yeah. And they have lightning deals going on all the time on stuff, so yeah. Alright, so if you didn't know, I'm trying really hard to stay organized in my life, especially after working on my beauty room, like organizing that. So I found this cute little number, and I thought about maybe putting it in my bathroom, because I could put like my larger bottles here and everything, and then you can put stuff in the drawers. So, because I'm really trying to be more mindful of the stuff, like if I'm not going to use it, I don't need to have it, you know what I mean? So I've been parting with things and working really hard on that. So I thought, well, aesthetically this is kind of cute, it's dainty, and it could go nice on a shelf or something. So I don't know, I'm thinking that's what I'll probably use it for, or you could use it wherever you wanted. Maybe I'll use it on my beauty, I don't know. Originally though, it's for my bathroom. So we'll see. Next in here, I picked out this LED corner light, and I thought it would be so freaking cute. Like I kind of feel low-key like one of my kids was just in here, is gonna try and snag it. But look, I feel like my boy will like it in his room. But how cool is that? So it adds like an ambiance, it says. And I'm gonna set it up for you guys real quick. Hopefully it's easy to do. Comes with a nice little remote. Comes with the cords. All right, let's see if your girl can put it together. Please hold. I lied. I technically already finished the video, but guess what? I forgot to show you guys a couple more things. Sorry. So the neon lights, if you guys saw my last video, I love their neon lights. So this one, I'm going to go back, I think, and pick out the coffee one. But this one says Good Vibes, and I think it's in pink. I'll probably hang it up in my beauty room. That's where I put the other one. Could be green. Well, wait, that's this going off back here. But anyways, I've got one in my beauty room right now, and that one says like my happy place. The other one I ended up gifting away because they're like, please. I was like, okay, fine, you can have it. So anyways, here's another one. This one I may hang up, like I said, I'm not for sure, but I freaking love these so much, and they're so affordable compared to other places. So you can find all different kinds of neon lights over there on Temu. And then I had shown this in my Hot Mess in the Kitchen unboxing, and I talked about my kitty cats that aren't my kitty cats, but one may be coming into my house. I don't know, but I kind of want to scoop it up and take it to the vet, make sure it's good to go, and then potentially, I'm just highly allergic to cats. But anyways, maybe my husband can rig this up and put it outside. But this is a perch, a window perch for the kitty cats. Okay, listen, I know Haley's got two in her house, so I did get two. Okay, so I've got one that I can gift to my daughter who has two cats. And if she wants both, she can have both. But maybe if we can put this outside. I don't know. I love these kitty cats. And one really loves me. And that's the one that I'm like, I may scoop you up and get you to the vet. I don't know if it'll let me, but we'll see. We'll see. Okay. So I put it together. Honestly, it was super fast. Like not even 5-10 minutes. Ready for the big reveal. We've got this. How cool is that? Okay, so there's music, or it goes to music? No freaking way. How cool. I wish it was darker in my room, but how neat is that? Oh my gosh. Okay, then it's got a speed. Here's audio, kind of like that. You can change the colors. I love that. You can do all this color. How cool. You can just do a white light, blue. Okay, let's get back to audio. I'm in Mother Truckin' Love. How cute is that? Yeah, I feel like my kids are gonna be like, Mom, I want that. Yeah, I absolutely flipping love that so much. So cool. Ah, Temu, you guys have the funnest things. And like I said, the setup was really easy peasy. The hardest part was the itty bitty little screws, which maybe I was supposed to use it. I didn't read the directions. I just kind of winged it. But here's how tiny the screws are. Yeah. But it came with everything you needed. I literally didn't have to go and get nothing. So, anywho, that is everything for today's Temu haul. I think it was really good. And I love everything in here. Like, that is so fun. Tell me that would not make a good gift for your gamer kid. Like, I know as soon as my boy comes down here and sees that, he's gonna be like, Mom, can I have that? Because he's a hardcore gamer, and the fact that, yeah, his gaming system, he has like red. So anyways, I could sit and play with this all day long. I love the rainbow. That's pretty freaking cool. Anyways, thank you once again to Temu for letting me pick out these items. As always, everything's going to be listed and linked down below for you all with the prices. And keep in mind, there may be some lightning deals going on. They're having a big anniversary sale right now where some of the things are like up to 90% off. I mean, the deals are non-stop, okay? I mean, there's always something great going on over there. Plus, they're constantly restocking, so keep that in mind. Like, they're constantly getting new things all the time, from fashion, from accessories to electronics. It's endless, the things that you will find on there. So anyways, y'all, that's all for today's video, or that's all for today's haul. Thank you once again if you made it to the end of today's video. Check me out on my other channels, Hotmess Momma Vlogs for Curvy Girl fashion hauls over there, Hotmess in the kitchen. Shout out once again to my YouTube members for helping to support the channel, and to those of you clicking the thanks button and supporting the channel. Don't forget, I'm also on TikTok and Instagram at Hotmess Momma 04. And until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.